Here we go.
Having completed my brake test, I now am going to check my checklist and see what comes next. I need to check my lighting indicators, my emergency equipment, my windshield and traffic monitoring devices, my wipers and washers, my heater and defroster, and my horn. I begin with my lighting indicators. I look down here on my panel to see my student light indicators. I turn on the amber student lights to make sure the indicator lights up. I'm going to open my service door so that my red student lights come on and the indicator shows and the door works properly. I have my headlights on and my dashboard lights are showing. I'm going to check my high beam indicator by pulling on the high beams. The indicator does come on, so that's functioning properly. I'm going to check my four-way indicators by turning on my four-ways. Those are working properly. My left turn indicator is showing properly. My right turn indicator is operating properly. That completes my lighting indicators, so I can check that off my list. Next on the list is emergency equipment. I'll check that in a moment once I'm done with the rest of this. I have my windshield and traffic monitoring devices. The windshield is in place, is not damaged, cracked, or broken, and is clear and not obstructed. My traffic monitoring devices, I have a forward-facing camera that appears to be operating properly, and I have my mirrors on my exterior of the bus, making sure that they're properly adjusted so that I can see and monitor the traffic around me. That takes care of my windshield and traffic monitoring devices. My wipers and washers are functioning properly. I've lost my pen. My heater and defroster is operating properly. I can feel the heat coming from the vents, medium, low, and high, all operating properly. My horn is functioning properly. I'm now going to get out of my seat and check my emergency equipment. I have my fire extinguisher, has been properly inspected, is in the proper operating range, and is properly attached to the bus. The pin is in place. I also have a first aid kit and body fluid kit that are properly attached to the bus and are sealed as per instructions. I'll have a box of triangles in the back, reflective triangles, and there should be 3. And if I carried fuses, that's where they'd be. I will check that box when I check the exterior of the bus.